Hi guys, welcome back to Momina's Mixed Plate. So today's episode is extremely close to my heart because depression, bullying are issues that I think everyone around the world has gone through at some point or the other. You usually hear things like, if someone is saying that they're depressed, you'll hear, but तुम्हारे पास सब कुछ है, why are you so unhappy? You have your family, you have everything. That's the same way as saying that आपके पास सब कुछ है, आपको कैंसर क्यों है? आपके पास सब कुछ है, आपकी टांग क्यों टूट गई है? You know, that's exactly where we are kind of headed. And this year has been it's been a huge eye-opener for me and for everybody in Pakistan, with two like beautiful young models who committed suicide, and like it's been a very tough year throughout. And I think as we end this year, I think it's time for reflection. So my friend Meher Tareen here has started a fantastic platform called the Mindful Missy. It's right here. And we're here at this event where she's basically collected all these speakers who are going to be talking about these issues. So stay tuned till the end of the episode and please listen in, please reflect, because these are legit problems that our nation, our youth, every single person internally is facing. Hi, Meher.
Hi.
How did Mindful Missy come about?
Okay, so basically I've been thinking about how a lot of my friends, a lot of my acquaintances, I feel like have reached out to me recently, and we've all kind of been suffering in silence. We need to talk about real issues that plague us and real things that affect us and bother us, instead of just going and having a good time and making fun of each other and coming home. So it started with that, where I felt like there was a need, yeah, I felt like there was a need to just be real with each other. Like, you know, we're so close.
Especially on social media where everything is so.
And I started actually with trying to talk to my own friends, and my own friends would be like, you know, like open up for a second but then withdraw. So I was like, what's going on? Like, why do we spend so much time together but it's not meaningful? This event kind of, you know, it was all in my head, but this, I guess, kind of explains the direction it's taking to other people. And what I'm trying to do with the platform, it's going to be a website and events also, is to make it more comfortable for people to be themselves and be real.
So coming to this event, who all do we have in store today?
So Sonia Rahman is our moderator. She's amazing. Then we have Zainab Chuktai, who represents Bully Proof. She's talking about body shaming. Then we have Selena, who's come all the way from Karachi.
Yeah. That's a long way to come still.
Yeah, for the event. I'm super excited. So she's going to talk about self-love, and she's going to talk about yoga, and we're going to do like positive affirmations with her. It's an interactive session. And after Selena, we have Dr. Samir, who's amazing, and he's going to talk about, I feel like a lot of people that I know also started, instead of sharing, they just went straight on like, you know, Prozac and other like quite harmful, strong medication. And the last speaker is Shahnaz Appa. She's a Journey to Joy healer, and she's amazing. You guys are gonna love her. She has amazing energy, and I just met her today, but I've like loved her from before. And she's gonna make us do a breathing exercise for stress busting.
Okay, amazing. So let's get to the segment. Let's get all the speakers out.
problems. How do you perceive your situation? There's another thing I'll add to that. Reparative relationships.
Physically only going to the gym, but they are emotionally a disaster. Some people are emotionally fine but mentally weak. Some are physically, mentally, emotionally fine but spiritually unaware. Do you understand? So we have to feed the soul just like we do on a daily basis. So we have to be balanced on all these levels in order to be considered healthy and wholesome and cope with life. Because life's problems are, by the way, every day of our life we have to cope with issues. It's never going to change. It's just the way we cope with it is going to change. Yeah? And that's what we equip you with. Okay? And they say sometimes just talking about the issue is not the solution. You need to break the cycle. You know? And that kind of thing and release, huh?
Well guys, I really hope you enjoyed the segment today. It was a very powerful session. A few of the speakers did not want to be recorded, so we have omitted their footage. Depression and anxiety are problems that everyone, me, you, everyone has faced. The important thing is to realize it, to understand that it's a problem that everyone faces, to be sympathetic towards people, not to say that oh, koi attention seek kar raha hai ki if they are going through depression. I really do hope that you took away something from this segment today, and don't forget to subscribe, share and comment. And if you ever need to reach out, if you're feeling depressed, please reach out. Like, your life is so precious and it is so important, and I'll see you next time. Take care.